Hey guys, welcome back. It's a pretty warm fall day. We're in our 60s right now, and we will be again tomorrow, and we want to be able to open up some of the windows and doors just to get some fresh air inside. Now, one of the problems that we're having with our side patio door is that the screen isn't working the way it's supposed to. Bugs are getting in. It doesn't slide the way it's supposed to, so what we're doing is we're replacing it. This is what we're replacing it with. The Brisa Retractable Screen Door by Larson. This door is actually meant for inward swinging doors, but we're going to try to install it in our sliding door. The screen is meant to fit on a standard door, which is about 32 to 36 inches. If you want to install in something that's smaller than 32 inches, you will need a hacksaw for installation. You'll be cutting the trim or the track. Now for installation, all they say you really need is the equipment that comes in the packaging and a drill with a proper bit. Now, because this is not your typical installation, I'm going to need some extra things. I've got an oscillating multi-tool, a drill, a Phillips head screwdriver and bit, a pen or a marker, tape, and I think I'll eventually need a circular saw. First thing we do is remove the screen door. Next is to remove the track or the trim that the sliding screen was on. And most of this just pops right in, so it's going to pop right out. We don't want to remove all of this trim because it's going to leave a gap or a small channel for insects to get inside, and that's going to really defeat the purpose. So we're going to keep it up here and we're just going to trim it. And this is where our oscillating multi-tool comes into play. Now we're checking the doorway. It is at 33 inches, which fits right in their parameters. Now we're going to assemble the whole unit, which just slides into place. So the situation we have here is that because this side is built up all the way to the edge of the sill, this one is not. It's set back. We need to even them out, and it's about 3/4 of an inch or almost an inch to be able to reach the base of this. So what we're going to do is build it out just a little bit. We're using a 1x2 that we cut to length, and we're going to put it in here and affix it to the fixed door. Now I don't want our trim or our door to split at all, so what I'm going to do is pre-drill all of our holes before I affix the trim to the door itself. The base of this retractable door is actually going to be sitting on this trim, so I'm going to fix it with 5 screws. Before you actually hang the whole system, you're going to put in the base kick plate. This is going to bridge the gap or any sort of gap that have between the frame itself and the track and the base of your door frame. Now we're ready for installation. You're going to place it in the doorway and expand it to fill the opening. Then use the included hardware to affix it to the framework. Now you can see this is centered in, and you have these little sliding portions that are going to slide to the end, and that's going to help create the little barrier. Now this doesn't have an exact fit, so what we're going to do is create a little cut and a little channel for it here to fit into there. I'm going to be using a razor blade. Now the way this is set up, it is in line, so it's not going to latch. So we're gonna have to adjust. We're gonna have to adjust this inside bracket so it catches this latch. It's easy to close. Griffin can do it with ease. Okay, now lock it. This little latch is what stops it from being able to open. And this is your lock. There you go. Alright guys, so that is it. It's in and it looks great. It fits perfectly in this doorway and it works really well. The kids can use it and it's really easy to use. And it's pretty easy to install once you get through some of the hiccups of having an uneven door frame and making sure everything is level so you can install it correctly. Now it is meant for a hinged door that opens and closes by swinging, which makes that door frame's level, and it's a lot easier to install. So when it advertises a 30-minute install time, for sure that's what it's talking about. But now that I've done it once before, I don't even think it'll take me 30 minutes. It might take me 10 to 15 minutes to install one of these in another door, which we may end up doing in the future, but we'll let you know about that when that time comes. But if you have any questions or comments, I will leave a link to this in the description below. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.